I printed these just to try them out, and now I can't stop. If you own a 3D printer, then I suggest you try these because these are the most satisfying 3D prints you can make. Check out these articulating mini dragons. These things are so cute, and look at them, they're tiny, barely bigger than a fingernail. I used a rainbow crystal PLA filament called Glacier, and it gave it that really cool ombre white to blue look. I mean, that is so cool, and they totally are little Flexis. These would actually make a great stocking stuffer or goodie bags for parties. Kids always love little tiny things like this. I literally printed all of these in one plate. You could have enough party favors from one build plate. Check out these Flexi pigs. Hold on one second. That was actually extremely satisfying to pull off, but look at these cute little pigs. I just love Flexis. They're so awesome. The design behind them is actually crazy if you really look at it, how they all interlink. They don't fuse together. I mean, it's awesome. This is obviously a multicolored print. You got black, white, and pink. Again, would make a great party favor, but this one is actually a keychain. You can put a little key ring right there, and it's ready to rock. And so this is an articulating dragon skeleton. From the tail, all the little detail, all the way up the spine to the rib cage. I mean, look at that movement. That's so sick. It's just all over the place. You can just print these at home. I mean, it's just so simple. I am actually super excited about all these little Triceratop Flexis. These guys, like the other Flexis you've seen on my channel or in this video, was all printed on one plate. Like, that's so crazy. You can literally do all these in one plate. There's a lot. Just holding them feels so cool. I mean, how they move, and they just fit your fingers. They're so soft. It's crazy. I can't even describe how it feels. Like, look at this little guy. The Triceratops is actually in what, 5 different pieces? That same intricate design at the bottom. These would make really good party favors. Because of how awesome these look, that's why I saved this for the second to last, but you're really gonna love what's next. Last but definitely not least is this articulating snake. Hold on one second. Whoa, those ball joints were a doozy. Look at this guy. I mean, every little piece of this. I can't believe how massive it is. And I believe, oh, it's a rattlesnake. Nice. I believe this printed all in one plate. I mean, that's just insane. Or at least I think it did. I have to double check the file, but this guy is definitely my new favorite Flexi. Look at that. That looks so weird, so satisfying, but also super loud. What do you think about these Flexis? Are there other Flexis I should print? Let me know down in the comment. As always, you can find all the files featured in my video in the link in my bio.